Shoplift. To steal items from a store without paying. The security guard stopped her from shoplifting. He was caught trying to shoplift a jacket. Chug. To drink something quickly. He chugged a glass of water after the run. He told me not to chug my drink. Shenanigans. Silly, secret, or dishonest activities. I don't want to be part of your shenanigans. There were shenanigans at the party last night. Novice. A person who is new and inexperienced. She is a novice at cooking. The novice driver made simple mistakes. Hefty. Large, heavy, or expensive. The bag was hefty and hard to carry. The company made a hefty profit. Winsome. Attractive or charming in a simple, sweet way. She has a winsome smile. The child looked winsome in her dress. Lambast. To strongly criticize someone or something. The coach lambasted the team after the loss. He was lambasted for his careless remarks. Kip. A short sleep or nap. I'm going to take a quick kip. I need a kip before work. Falter. To lose strength, confidence, or steadiness. Her voice faltered during the speech. His confidence faltered after the mistake.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!